Kendall Jenner spotted dancing during Bad Bunny's Coachella performance amid new romance. Number 1 fangirl. Kendall Jenner stepped out to support Bad Bunny's Friday, April 14 set at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. The model was spotted dancing in the packed crowd when the party artist took the Indio, California stage. According to social media footage, Jenner was all smiles as she busted out moves to his biggest musical hits. The Kardashian star looked festival chic in a denim miniskirt and black bomber jacket. Jenner and the Puerto Rico native have been linked since February after they were spotted dining together on multiple occasions. The pair even packed on the PDA during several of their joint outings, but have not further addressed their connection. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment, and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.